Good morning, students. Happy September 21st on this lovely Monday morning. You can see the lesson we have for today. First, the Google Classroom. When you log into the Google Classroom, here are this week's lessons. You already have your notebook. You'll be getting a new one next week. When you get to the website, we have the slides are right here. On slide 2, there's a few questions for you to answer. Please read the daily science. Then read slides 4 through 9, and here's some more resources below. Basically, in the activity section, we're going to compare and contrast. I know we did this last week. We're doing it again. Compare and contrast physical and chemical properties based on the notes, based on the material here. So basically, physical property describes something. It's non-chemical related. It could be the color or the texture, how something feels, stuff like that, the density. Is it magnetic? Chemical property represents if it can do something. For example, is it flammable? Does it react with certain chemicals? So you have table salt, for example. You can describe how it feels. You can describe how it looks. But there's also chemical properties there too when you're doing chemistry experiments. Read the notes, look over the resources, compare and contrast the best you can, and then you're done. If you're not done your superhero project, you can take a few minutes and work on that. All you're doing is answering the questions and looking at physical and chemical properties. The video work, I'll get you all caught up when I see you next week. I know we'll talk about that later. Anyway, one last thing. I put a poll in here for today. Hopefully it'll work. We're looking, checking in every day is now mandatory, but I want to know, how do you want to do it? I prefer the message on Google Hangout, but if you want to do a Zoom, Go Guardian, Google Hangout, or email. Let me know how you would want to check in, and we'll see what the class thinks. Remember, Thursday is now Throwdown Thursday, so we Zoom on Thursdays. All the other days, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Friday, you need to check in, and that's what we'll talk about more. So anyway, I will see you all soon. Have a great day. Please send me a message if you have any questions. Thanks.